presentation will be from Japan. Japan is on another continent, but we have a great friend in Japan, Kazuo Arai, who is really like Ukrainian Cossack and Japan samurai, continue to do much in order to support Ukraine and the United 19 districts in Japan for humanitarian aid projects for our country. Kazuo Arai, immediate past district governor, District 2820, Japan, with the presentation Task Force Japan activities for supporting Ukraine and Ukrainians. Please, Kazuo, microphone is yours.
Hi, hello, Aloha-san and the Rotarians in Ukraine. I am Kazuo Arai from District 2820, Japan. I served as a governor in the 21-22, along with governor of the 2232, Bondarenko-san, together. I'm now supporting Ukraine as a District Rotary Foundation Committee Chair of my district. Today, it is my great pleasure to have opportunity to explain how Rotary Japan are supporting Ukraine. So let me share my PowerPoint. Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Okay. It was February 24, 2022. Russia's military invasion began. In response to this unacceptable brutality, Rotary International issued a statement on February 25, calling for the withdrawal of Russian troops and solutions through dialogue. Rotary Japan then began supporting Ukraine as a member of Rotary International. In 2022, Rotary Japan first provided assistance to the club bases. For example, funding for volunteer center. We also donated special vehicles and installed modular houses. Then in 2023, we started to support Ukrainian children. Now I would like to introduce how my district supported Ukraine. It was started with a request for help from a Facebook friend. I learned that RC Lakiv has opened a volunteer center and is distributing daily necessities to the needy. At the district conference of my district, 2820, I explained to Rotarians and Rotary families about the devastation in Ukraine and requested to lend a hand to Ukraine. In only one night, 2820 raised $20,000 and transferred it to project account of District 2232. This is a fund to purchase goods for the volunteer center. This is a volunteer center. Okay. Next, I explain about the project which has been done by Disaster Response Grant. In May 2022, Rotary Foundation Disaster Response Grant became available. There are 34 districts in Japan. The 34 of us who were 21-22 governors invited 2232 Governor Bondarenko-san and held a Ukraine support meeting. I then heard from Governor Bondarenko-san in detail about the situation in Ukraine. In this context, we Rotary Japan decided to donate special vehicles to needed area and install modular houses in Motion Village. two districts in Hokkaido, Japan, the 2500 and 2510, applied for a disaster response grant and received $50,000 in funding. There are special vehicles donated by Hokkaido, Japan. This is a modular house installed by my district, 2820, as a part of the motion recovery project. This also used disaster response grant. The grant was approved in just 5 days after the application was submitted, and the house was installed within a month. I immediately announced this success to other 33 districts of Rotary Japan and asked all for help. Then 19 districts agreed to participate in motion recovery project. Finally, 37 modular houses were installed, one after another, using approximately $475,000 in funding. This is a list of 19 districts in Rotary Japan that participated in the motion recovery project sent by PDG Serugi-san. We, the 19 districts of Rotary Japan, are proud of the success of this project. At the Japan Rotary Institute 2022, I explained Rotary Japan activities for supporting Ukraine and Ukrainians. 600 of Rotarians include RI President, governors, governor-elect, nominees, and PDGs watched the video. Thank you, Japan Rotary for Motion Recovery Project, created by District 2232, Ukraine, sent from PDG Serugi-san. RI President Jennifer Jones seemed satisfied, very much like this picture. This is the assistance plan for this year, 2023 to 2024. I, as a DRFC of District 2820 Japan, I'm planning the followings. First, donation from my district members will provide financial support for Empowering Girls project conducted by RC Lutsk Boarding Pride. Second, we 2820 will contribute DDF as an international partner for global grant project be planned by RC Cherkasy. Third, we will also utilize the disaster response grant to respond to the needs of the 2232. This is child protection and mental health care work that has already conducted by RC Lakiu. This is a girls protection and empowerment project with RC Lutsk Boarding Pride. It was led by President Natalia-san of Rotary Boarding Pride. At this spring, RC Lutsk Boarding Pride is now in the progress of the project Autumn Leadership School for Girls, Create Yourself, which is attracting attention throughout District 2820 Japan. We at Rotary Japan are always with you. These children are the future of Ukraine and the hope of the world. It is our duty at Rotary to support these children so that they can live with hope. I say, the finest asset of Rotary has to give to the world was hope. Is hope. Will be hope and must always be hope. Glory to Ukraine. Thank you, Toby. Thank you so much.